Anuj is here standing by with what he's making of the setup. Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. Well, it looks like the market's in a mood for some more time correction, and the price damage may be done, but in terms of time correction, maybe some time still left. Uh, this market has been now correcting technically for the last 13 days, but the real price damage has happened only on 3 days. X of that, the market's been quite flat on most days. The FI selling intensity is now down quite a bit. It was about 15,000 crores at the peak of the correction. It's now down to 1,700 crores yesterday, which was the lowest selling number that we have seen in all of October. That's good news, right? Even the shorting keeps going up from the FI side. They are now 34% net long. They were at 85% at the start of the series. The put call ratio extremely oversold. So the point I'm trying to make is if the market bounces from here, it will be big. The only issue is, does the market have a trigger to bounce back? Can oil provide that trigger? Perhaps, especially for oil marketing companies. Brent price down, election risk out of the way, so that could be the sector to focus on. Coming to index then, on the Nifty, the levels that I'm watching out for, first support is 24,900 to 25,000, the low of last few days, and the most important number, 24,694 to 24,750, the October lows. That should not break, otherwise the trend becomes negative. Resistance first comes in at 25,075 to 25,150 based on the options data, and then, like yesterday, 25,200 to 25,300, the 10 and 20-day exponential moving average. The Bank Nifty is important because today is the weekly options expiry on the Bank Nifty. It's one shade better than the Nifty. The only risk here is the 20-day exponential moving average halt, not just for the Bank Nifty, but also for HDFC Bank, because both the index and its biggest component, both are trading very close to the 20-day exponential moving average. That number on Bank Nifty is 51,950, and on HDFC Bank, it's at 1680, right where both these are trading. As I said, today's options expiry, so the range as per options data is 51,600 to 52,200. My basic premise is that you stay in this range, but if you start to break this range, then the move could be big on either side.
Okay, all right, Anuj got it. It just reminds me, right? Only a couple more weeks left for that Nifty Bank options expiry, the weekly product, and then it has to phase away.
Since you raised the point, just want to make a point. That was ending from 20th November, right?
Yeah.
Make it 19th November now, because 20th November is Maharashtra election, Mumbai election. That means it's market holiday, and that's the big heart of Mumbai. We'll be voting, but the rest of you from in different part of the country can have a holiday.
All right, Anuj, thanks so much for that. And yeah, thanks for reminding us. 20th indeed becomes a holiday, but it is voting day, not really a holiday. Need to go out and exercise your right to vote.